In this video, I will show you how to reset the Wattpilot to its factory settings. This allows you to restore the original state of the device. For this process, you need the reset card that is included with the Wattpilot. If you cannot find your reset card, then please contact our support. Hold the reset card close to the reading area of the Wattpilot. The Wattpilot will then start glowing red. This means that the process has been initiated. Restoring the Wattpilot to its original state means that all data is deleted except for everything in security and grid. This also includes the ID chips and the associated charging amounts. Once the Wattpilot is reset, open the Wattpilot app, tap on Setup and follow the instructions. You can also perform the reset of the Wattpilot only with the Wattpilot app. If you want to do so, tap on Settings and go to Services and there confirm the reset to factory settings.